I've been calling. Where are you, Kitty? So, this is going to be published on the exact same day, but this is not going to be about the same video. Oh, so we tried to upload 2 videos. First one was too long for YouTube. It was only like 16 minutes long, and other YouTubers record like 28 minutes long if they can use it. Do it. But yeah, so today we're actually going to play with McFluff, our kitty, but we are going to play fetch. Yes, fetch. And we're going to play, so we're going to have some toys that he might like. So let's begin to play. Get it, Fluffy. See? Here's that, whatever, just take it. Okay. He's like doing, he's on, I don't want to do this. What is wrong with you? Yeah, he's not going to do it. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. Because you're supposed to throw it to the living room. Yes, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Sam, it's your turn. But okay, so my brother's not really going to be included in this one.
I want to be.
Hey, you're fixing Steve.
You like deleted him.
I deleted him from my bedroom world. Okay, that was done. So yeah, he loves kids. What the heck? What the heck? Why is he so lazy? Tell us if your cat is so active and one time your cat was just so lazy. Tell in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like. This might not be so long because nothing is at power mode on. What was it? What was that? What was that? This time I'm gonna do it with Kitty.
Meow, meow.
Come on, kitty, kitty. Oh. Okay. Good kitty, kitty. Okay. So yeah, our cat is not actually called Kitty. He's This is called Kitty. This is called McFluffers. Fluffy. Oh no. Where'd it go?
It went to the sky
I didn't believe it could fly so high.
Well.
I think I'm gonna start this at 6 minutes. Why? I don't know why. Fluffy, you want this thing? You want this thing? Get that thing! He just shook his head. It looked like he was like this, Sam. It was so weird. Won't you play? What is he doing?
He's sitting in the
I thought he was hugging a toy. I want to go turbo speed. Did that thing just pooped?
Do turbo speed while he's.
He's just like, no. Okay, tell us if you're active, any active animal. If your hamster is so active, if your dog. Leave in the comments if one day you just had a lazy day like our cat. Like, you actually grab my. I'm scared. Yeah, and don't forget to leave a like. And please subscribe. Probably,
this is 1 minute long, right?
It's already been 4 minutes. About 5.
99 minutes long.
Oh! My hand! Okay. So yeah, you possibly not be the first subscriber. Also, tell me if one of your animals, any animal has had a lazy day. Yeah, subscribe.
Like the
You might actually be the first one to subscribe. And also leave in the comments if you do subscribe. Leave in the comments any video if you subscribe. It would be a big help if you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, if you left a comment. Yeah.
like the fluff.
We were planning more. We were planning way more for this video.
Just like the fluff.
But we're going to have some way more exciting things. Today was just a downer and yeah. And also, this might not be exciting because me and my brother are new YouTubers. We're new to this YouTube thing. So it would be, you don't know how much of a help it would be.
If you said like and subscribe.
And commented. Oh my gosh.
Wow, wow, wow.
Also, want to see something? There's a blob in the floor. Dun dun dun. With ears. Who sleeps too much? Who cleans her butt too much? Who's fat with fur? She clearly likes it. Oh yeah, get in there.
No!
Boop. Yeah.
Bloop.
So, reason she's fatter than Fluffer is because she's more of an outdoor cat than an indoor cat like Fluffy.
She went like this.
She's like sleeping. What is that cat doing?
She's like,
I'm gonna try to push Fluff up. Can I push Fluffer up? Oh, I'm scared. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Bye.